Hello everyone, welcome to True Salon Education. In this video, I will be explaining about importance of hair conditioner. Please do watch till end to clear all your doubts and benefits of hair conditioner. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and share with others. So let's start. Why is it important to use conditioner? Conditioner is usually the second step to hair washing. While shampoo is formulated specifically to clean off sweat, dead skin cells, and hair products, conditioner makes hair softer and easier to manage. It also protects hair shafts from damage. Most shampoos use chemicals that are rough on hair follicles. Is it necessary to use conditioner? The truth is, conditioning after you shampoo is essential to having healthy, shiny hair. Conditioner smooths the hair cuticle and adds body. Avoiding conditioner makes your hair more prone to breakage, which can lead to the appearance of thinning hair. Is conditioner necessary every day? The American Academy of Dermatology, AD, recommends using rinse-out conditioner after every wash, ideally a few times per week. However, if you have very oily or fine hair, you may want to condition less frequently because it can weigh your hair down. What happens if I don't use conditioner? Well, if you stop using conditioner, your hair will likely be more difficult to comb. It will also be more likely to have flyaways and frizz and be prone to splitting and breaking during your styling routine. Your hair may look duller and less shiny. Do conditioners damage hair? While it's tempting to pile on the conditioner if your hair is dry or damaged, try not to overdo it, as it won't actually provide any additional benefits. Too much moisture can also cause damage in your hair, so you want a healthy balance. What will happen if I use conditioner every day? Unlike shampoo, conditioner can be used every day, as it rehydrates hair and replenishes nutrients. You might also want to consider conditioning on the days you don't shampoo. Remember, keep that to 2 or 3 days a week. It will help rinse away grime on the non-shampoo days and rehydrate following a shampoo. Why is conditioner important for curly hair? Conditioners infuse your hair with hydration, lock in moisture, repair damage and protect against environmental aggressors to keep your curls soft and bouncy. Is it okay to use conditioner without shampoo? Utilizing just one product means skipping the shampoo in favor of conditioner, although many co-washers still use shampoo occasionally to give the hair a deep clean and restore the scalp. County washing is particularly popular among women who have curly, frizzy, or dry hair. Should I use conditioner if I have dandruff? If you're prone to dandruff, make sure to use an anti-dandruff conditioner as the final step in your wash routine. While products won't cause dandruff itself, they could make some scalp conditions worse. Does conditioner cause dandruff? While you might not think that conditioner plays much of a role in dandruff, Head & Shoulders revealed that may not be the case. According to the popular drugstore anti-dandruff shampoo brand, your conditioner could sneakily cause your anti-dandruff shampoo to work less effectively. Why is it important to condition your hair? As it smooths out your hair's cuticle layer, conditioner leaves a protective layer on top of each strand, protecting them against the environment and heat from hot water and styling tools. Less damage means your hair will look silky and shiny for longer. Is it good to wash hair with just conditioner? Yes, sort of. Conditioners do contain ingredients that have the potential to cleanse hair because of their detergent-like qualities, meaning when combined with water, they can help rinse away dirt and bacteria. Can conditioner cause hair loss? No. Using a hair conditioner doesn't cause hair fall. The truth is, it reduces hair weakness and hair fall due to breakage. Can we apply conditioner on scalp? Don't apply conditioner to your scalp. Run your fingers or a wide-tooth comb through the ends of your hair to work in the conditioner. Does conditioner make hair thicker? Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. While most shampoos are great for making your hair look fuller, you might want to go the extra step and use a shampoo and conditioner that boosts volume and makes your hair look thicker. Does conditioner flatten hair? Conditioning does sometimes leave hair flat and lifeless, but there are so many products like dry shampoo, thickening sprays, pomades, gels, waxes and pastes that can build the hair back up and give it life. Don't skip it because of that. How long should I leave conditioner in my hair? Apply conditioner on the ends of your hair. Leave it on for the amount of time specified on the product label, from 10 to 30 minutes. Rinse out the conditioner. Can we leave conditioner without washing? Key takeaways. Leave-in conditioners are meant to be left in your hair until the next wash, but should wash off regular after a few minutes of application. Leaving conditioner in your hair for too long can cause hair fall, breakage, and scalp irritation. Is it okay to leave conditioner in your hair overnight? A conditioner is used as a final step in the hair washing stage to lock in moisture, add shine, protection and detangling agents. In short, sleeping in a conditioner overnight in excess is not recommended for your hair or even necessary. What can be used instead of hair conditioner? Do-it-yourself natural conditioners for your hair. Banana mask for soft strands. Egg mask to nourish your strands. Aloe vera for unbeatable shine. Honey for softness and shine. Yogurt mask for damaged hair. Argan oil for strength. Tea rinse to fight dullness. Apple cider vinegar rinse for all hair types. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share with your friends, and if you are new to the True Salon Education channel, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.